First, install the rotary table. Try to position the rotary table as centered and parallel as possible, and mount the product on the rotary head. Tighten it securely. Now, use a caliper to measure its inner diameter. Since we're engraving the inner frame, the measurement should be of the inner diameter. And remember to take note of the values. Loosen the two knobs on the rotary head. Lift it. Tilt it. When placing the rotary table, make sure it is slightly to the left side, so that the light can refract within the inner diameter of the rotary table. Now, start drawing the graphic. Enter the text. Input the content. Apply. Enter the expected size based on the dimensions. Center and rotate the angle as expected. Fill the text. Select the laser option and the rotating text engraving mode. Here, you will see a diameter value. Enter the inner diameter value you measured earlier. Now, start engraving. Engrave again.